stop whatever you're doing right now. You're about to see how complete nobodies are raking in $500 a day, passively, with nothing but a phone and a Wi-Fi signal. Because what I'm about to show you is something 99.9% of people will never even hear about. This isn't some side hustle you've seen recycled on TikTok. This is something so sneaky, so brain-dead simple, it honestly feels illegal. It's a hidden money tap buried inside your phone that, once activated, starts triggering $50 payments from multiple sources at the same time. Most people scroll right past it. But you're here. And if you stick with me for just the next few minutes, you'll discover how this stupid simple tap-to-earn trick is generating $500 days for complete beginners without showing your face, selling anything, or leaving your couch. What I'm about to show you is the most unfair passive income loophole we've ever uncovered, and it's hiding in plain sight on every phone. Yes, $50 per tap, and not just once. We're talking about $500 days, over and over again, from the same dumb little action anyone can do on their phone. Every time we tap this system, another passive income stream kicks in, from different sources. That means one tap equals money from 5 directions. Do it again? Boom, another $50. And the best part? No video, no voice, no followers, no tech skills, no budget. You don't even need a clue what you're doing. As long as you've got Wi-Fi and a finger, you're good. There are no tools to buy, no pages to build, and no waiting to get approved. This is the fastest, easiest, most hands-off money system we've ever created, and it's printing us multiple income streams a day without lifting a finger. This is Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams, the most unfair cash system we've ever built. One anonymous action from your phone, and boom, 5 different streams of money start firing at once. Think of it like a broken vending machine that keeps spitting out 50s every time you tap it. But tapping is just the beginning. We show you dozens of hands-off ways to turn your phone and Wi-Fi into a 24/7 passive income engine, from instant one-click payouts, to recurring commissions, to secret high-ticket offers running in the background. We even show you how to get paid from AI content, ad revenue, and affiliate networks like Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, and Digistore, without building a single thing. It's so simple my aunt thought it was a game. Now she's doing $412 a day without showing her face. If she can do it, you can too. Now I know what you're thinking. There's no way it's this easy. I get it. Just a phone, a tap, $50 over and over again? Trust me, I thought the exact same thing. Not long ago, I was drowning in bills, frustrated, and sick of falling for methods that never delivered. I'd watch video after video of so-called gurus flashing screenshots and passive income while I sat there Googling how to make rent. It felt like there was some secret shortcut, one that everyone else knew but me. Then one night, while aimlessly scrolling, I tapped a single button to repost something trending and got paid. No funnel, no face, no followers, just a phone, Wi-Fi, and that one tiny action. At first I thought it was a glitch, but then it happened again and again. And that's when I realized I had just unlocked the gateway to something way bigger than I expected. And here's what I saw. The videos going viral weren't created by influencers. They weren't edited. They weren't personal. They were short, trending clips reposted by faceless accounts, and those anonymous users were cashing in. No voice, no brand, just repost and profit. I dug deeper and realized they weren't just earning from one method. They were quietly triggering multiple streams of passive income from every single upload. Some clips were triggering instant micro commissions. Others were stacking recurring affiliate payouts, and some were secretly tied to high-ticket offers that paid out big when viewers clicked through. That's when it clicked. One post, one tap, one trigger, and 5 streams of income start flowing, all from someone else's content. No face, no editing, no audience. I thought, if they can do it anonymously from a phone, why can't I? So I did, and everything changed. So I went all in, started testing, tweaking, digging through every corner of the internet. At first, crickets. I reposted clips, tapped links, tried affiliate pages, and barely made a dime. But then I hit something different. A specific method, a specific twist, using trending content to unlock not just 1, but 5 income streams at the same time. Within 24 hours, my first $50. By the end of the week, over $500 a day hitting my account passively from just one tap. But I needed proof. I gave the method to a cashier from Philly, a single mom in Georgia, and a retired welder in Michigan. None of them had made money online before. The results? Unreal. The cashier made $320 in a day. The mom, $1,100 in her first week. The retiree hit $4,900 in a month, all from his phone. That's when I knew this wasn't just another side hustle. I had cracked a system that anyone could use, and now I'm handing you the exact plug-and-play version that's working right now, down to the tap. And here's the wildest part. This isn't just happening in the US. This system is exploding worldwide. People in the UK, Australia, Canada, Mexico, India, South Africa, Thailand, even tiny towns with spotty Wi-Fi. They're tapping their phones once and waking up to multiple income streams hitting their accounts. You don't need to speak perfect English. You don't need to be techie. If you can tap a screen and follow basic steps, you can make money with this. We've got people in Brazil reposting content and getting passive ad checks. Folks in Dubai running AI-driven affiliate posts. Teens in Nigeria triggering high-ticket commissions with a single link. No laptop, no store, no branding, just Wi-Fi, a phone, and one ridiculously simple system that's printing 500+ days for total beginners across the globe. If it worked for a retired welder, a single mom, and a cashier with zero online experience, it can absolutely work for you. And here's where it gets even crazier. We're not even making the content. We're simply tapping to repost short trending clips from viral celebrities and cashing in. I'm talking about names like The Rock, Iman Ghaji, Piers Morgan, Kim Kardashian, even Oprah. Every time they go viral, we tap, repost their clips and trigger a stream of passive income. One post of Alex Hormozi, boom, ad revenue. Share something spicy from Trump, that's another payout. Logan Paul rants, Elon tweets, Tate quotes, all profit triggers. And these are just one of the methods inside the system. That tap can unlock a micro commission here, a recurring payment there, even a surprise $500 high-ticket hit, all running in the background. And all you did? Shared a video from your phone. You didn't make it. You didn't show your face. You didn't spend a cent. Just Wi-Fi and a tap. That's all it takes to light up your phone with money. Every single day, millions are watching these clips, which means every tap, every repost, every trigger is another shot at fast, passive profit. And here's what blows people's minds. This isn't just for young techie TikTokers. We've got teens making $500 days from bed, and retirees who can barely text pulling in extra cash just tapping from their recliner. No filming, no followers, no guesswork. If you can use your phone and connect to Wi-Fi, you can make money with this. And listen, the reposting tap trick, that's just one of the passive methods inside Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams. The rest? We're keeping those locked up tight until you're inside. Why? Because once too many people get wind of what's really going on behind the scenes, those secret payouts, those AI-triggered commissions, the goldmine could dry up fast. So if you want in, move quick. So how does Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams work? It's stupid simple. Here's how you get paid in just 3 steps. Step 1. Grab your copy of Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams right now. Step 2. Open it on your phone and activate one of the methods, like the viral tap trick we showed you. Step 3. Watch as $50 commissions start landing, again and again. That's it. No posting, no filming, no begging strangers to click anything. And the craziest part? This isn't a one-and-done system. It's truly passive. That one tap, it can trigger 5 streams of income on autopilot from just one action. And that's only one of the methods inside. There are dozens more we can't even name here. Hidden offers, AI triggers, automated follow-ups, all designed to keep the money flowing long after you've put your phone down. You've never seen anything this fast, this easy, or this low effort before, period. We give you the exact methods that unlock real payouts. We show you how to tap once and trigger multiple streams, fast. We walk you through how to activate the hidden affiliate offers no one talks about. No tech, no funnel, no selling, no product. Everything's done for you. Just tap, activate, and watch what happens. And remember, that tap method, it's only one piece. The rest, we've locked them up for members only. Why? Because they're that powerful. Right now, you've got 2 options. Option 1, close this tab and keep living like nothing ever changes. Scroll, stress, struggle. Option 2, take action and grab Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams at the lowest price it'll ever be. And finally start pulling in $50, $100, even $500+ without ever showing your face or building a thing. And here's the best part. There's zero risk. What would it be worth to you to turn your phone into a $500 per day machine with just a tap? To wake up and see your Wi-Fi triggered side hustles firing off fresh payments while you sleep, chill, or go about your day? To finally stop living paycheck to paycheck and start stacking income from secret affiliate offers no one else even knows exist? We're talking full control without a single post, product, or ounce of effort. One tap activates it, the system does the rest. What would that be worth? A new phone, a vacation, freedom, the power to earn passively every day, no matter where you are. That's what Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams gives you. People are using Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams right now to escape debt, quit soul-crushing jobs, and finally experience what real freedom feels like. This isn't theory. It's happening today with just a phone and a signal. But this opportunity won't stay open forever. If too many people flood in and start tapping into these secret affiliate streams, the edge disappears. That's why we're locking the gates soon. Right now, only 57 spots remain, and by the time you finish this video, there could be even less. If you've been waiting for the moment to break out of the grind, this is it. But blink, and it'll be gone. Now let's talk real value. After discovering and perfecting Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams, we thought about pricing it at $497 per month. And honestly, it would still be a steal. Just one tap method could trigger 500 plus days from your phone without any selling, building, or even logging in again. And there's way more than one method inside. But we get it. You've probably been burned before, promised the world, delivered a PDF. That's not what this is. So instead of $497 a month, we're giving you the entire multi-stream cache system for a tiny one-time price anyone can grab today. No subs, no BS, just profits. However, here's the deal. To keep these Wi-Fi streams profitable for members, we have to limit access. If too many people start tapping into these exact offers, the fire hose starts to dry up. And we're not about to let that happen. That's why we're only accepting a small number of users. Right now, there are just 57 spots left, and they're vanishing fast. So ask yourself, are you ready to break free from the money stress cycle? Or are you going to let yet another life-changing opportunity pass you by? Hit the button below and lock in your access while it's still open. If you skip this, nothing changes. You stay stuck in the same cycle, paycheck to paycheck, bills piling up, watching everyone else flash their passive income while you scroll in frustration. This is your moment to break it. One decision, one yes, and you're inside Wi-Fi Passive Income Streams, where every tap, post, or action from your phone triggers passive income streams that don't stop. There's no risk, no hidden fees, no guesswork, and it's backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee. If you don't get results or just change your mind, you get every penny back. And if you ever get stuck, I'll personally help you make it work. That's my promise. So stop hesitating. Tap the button below and activate your passive phone income right now. Your future self will thank you. My name's Glenn Koski, and I can't wait to welcome you inside.